think I was 23. People started to talk, you know what I mean. You were out of my league. I think it's still plain to see. Sometimes I still don't know what you're doing with me. You took me home, I had to meet your dad. And everybody thought he'd be mad, but he didn't care. As the years have gone by, I've had to swallow my pride. After all that I've done, you're still by my side. That's what real love is. We've got a couple of kids. Who'd have ever thought we'd end up like this? I know I write a lot of sappy shit, but I don't care. I love the way you live. Yeah, this is bliss.
Relax guys, सारा कर रहे हैं नवी गोदरेज एरो। ओह, नवी कार ना? या गोदरेज एरो, नई कार से 10 महीने को खत्म हो गया।
I'm miles away. My tired legs, they are aching. I'm walking through sand, sinking with every step. I'm lying awake, counting the spots on the ceiling. My lungs collapse, you steal every last breath. My God, this cannot be. You are the good one. Slivers inside of your eyes, painful to me. Shifting in place in my faith over my shoulder. Sprinkle it all over you. There's time left to burn and cigarettes left in my garden. I'm planting my mind next to the tall peonies. gets you in trouble each time. Your dirty mind gets you in places that she'll never find. You cast your shadows, never allow me to shine. Your dirty mind gets you in trouble each time. Your dirty mind.
बात तो ऐसी है, इसलिए हम सब दोस्तों को ऐसे भगाया जा रहा है।
मालूम है तुम नहीं जाओगे तो जानी भी नहीं आएगी।
तो हम करो।
तो हम दोनों भी जाकर क्या करें? सॉरी चलो।
चल यार, तेरे को मजा आएगा। रहने दो, ये नहीं आएगी। किसी अनजान की मोहब्बत में जान पहचान वाले अक्सर छूट जाते हैं। चलो, चलो। अच्छा चलो।